Get it.
Do it. Do the part.
It's recording. Hi, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to show you how to know if a cosmetic of yours is full of toxic chemicals. So, okay, now I know there's geraniol in my thing, right? But what does it mean? So this website is great at telling you what that means. We are going to be using a website called ewg.org. It's Environmental Working Group. I have another video where I go really deep into explaining EWG, how they get their information, how to interpret them, etc. So check that out for more information. Moving on, I'll show you guys how to find out what is in your cosmetics.
I mean, I don't use cosmetics at all, so.
Yeah, hair shampoo, body wash.
Oh no!
Don't worry, it's all good. It's all clean. We're all clean in our bathroom.
If I didn't have you, though, I had no idea what products to use.
Suave Men Care 3-in-1.
It did all three things in one.
It did a lot more than 3 things, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah. The bleeding stopped, though.
I know. 3-in-1, cancer, asthma. I'm gonna stop.
Boop.
Here is the EWG website. I'm gonna get my glasses on.
They have x-ray vision.
I could see through the chemicals. Here on EWG's website, ewg.org, you scroll to Visit Skin Deep, Skin Deep Guide to Cosmetics, where they rate 70,000 personal care products.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. Let's start with this one. I've had this for longer than I've cared about having better ingredients, but let's see. I'm going to enter here into the search bar, search for an ingredient, brand, or product. Dove face cream. Why? Search. So here is the product that I am looking for, and it has a 2, which is fairly decent. Oh, here it looks like on their skin cosmetics they have best to worst, EWG verified being the best, and the worst being a 10, which is very different than their rating system for cleaners, which is more like a school rating system, like A through F.
Why are they different styles of...
I don't know, it must be something to do with the nature of these products, their rating system, I don't know. Anyway, so this looks like it has a 2, which looks like it has low risk for cancer, no risk for developmental reproductive toxicity, some moderate risk for allergies and immunotoxicity, and some use restrictions. If you scroll down, you could see the ingredients that are in here and their score. 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, whatever, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Overall a 2. That does not mean that there is no bad chemicals in here because it has a 2. It just means the average is a 2.
Wait, is higher better or lower?
In this case, lower is better.
So you want to be a 1? Like, that's the best you can be?
1 is green, 3, 4 is like...
So even if it has a decent score, you still want to check which chemicals are in it?
For example, they can have a 10 level chemical and then everything else is a 1 and the 1s outnumber the 10, so the average is affected to, I don't know, maybe a 3. I actually have never looked this one up before. This is Rosewater Facial Toner by Trader Joe's. We'll see. Trader... If you guys could see what I can see, it's a mess. Okay. Alright, this has a 4. Again, problematic. The worst ingredient is fragrance. And the reason why fragrance is so problematic is because a lot of things can be under the category of fragrance. And because the category is so broad, it's unreliable. So that usually gets a really bad score.
You don't know actually what that is, what chemical.
Versus, for example, this product for fragrance, well, not even for fragrance, I'm pretty sure it's useful, but they just say tea tree essential oil versus fragrance. which could be a lot of different things. It has to do with the limited availability of the data. Okay, well, this one's actually on here, so let me go back to another product, which I know is not on here, because I was interested in this a while ago. I got this, and I don't plan on using it. Some pollution defense booster. It came with like a makeup box, and I canceled the makeup, whatever. Let's see, water, glycerin, which I know just from doing this that's okay. Rosemary leaf extract, that's good. Horse chestnut Marion seed extract. Okay, phenoxyethanol. You can totally look up just the ingredients. There it is. And search. There we go. 224. Looks like low concern across the board. Classified as an irritant.
Would you want an irritant in a product you put on your skin?
I know, that's kind of the irony, is that this is supposed to be like better for your skin, but it could be an irritant. And I could continue to search for the next ingredient. So that had a 2 to a 4. Let's see. Cellulose gum, I'm pretty sure it's also pretty safe. It's plant-based. Cellulose is fiber, like wood. I know wood has cellulose in it, so I'm assuming that's fine. But, I mean, obviously, check everything. Polysorbate 20. Okay, polysorbate 20. There it is. You can see the data on this. Limited evidence of sense organ toxicity, classified as a low human health priority, classified as not expected to be potentially harmful or toxic, and they'll list their references as well. Data sources about this range. Anyway, so I could continue down this list to find out if everything that's included is something that I am okay with or not. I can score it, and do an average.
Internal score?
Yeah. I'm not endorsed by Fat in the Moon, but this is a company who has really good ingredients for their products, very natural, minimal packaging, minimal plastic in their packaging. The only thing plastic here is the screw cap and the pump part. But their ingredients are water, yarrow, achillea, which is a California native plant. Actually, it might be in other places too. Witch hazel, essential oils of lavender, and tea tree.
Have you looked those products up before? Or those ingredients?
I'm pretty sure those are fine, but yeah, let's look up witch hazel just for funsies. My dreams get crushed. Oh, these are products that have witch hazel in them. Product type.
Are there any witches named Hazel?
Maybe. So these look like rosewater. Okay, let me click on one and see if witch hazel pops up. Oh yeah, here's glycerin. That's a 2. Water 1. Oh, witch hazel 1. Yeah. Which is a good score. Witch hazel, the ingredient. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. There's witch hazel 1. Yeah. So safe. Pretty safe. I think tea tree can be an irritant, actually, when used in high doses. Yeah, anyway. That is how you can look up your own products. I hope that was informational, and I think I covered the bases. It's pretty helpful. You can also look up body washes and all of that, shampoos. Again, if your shampoo is not on there and you want to know, go by the actual individual ingredients. I'm pretty sure like shampoos, body washes, they do have to include all their ingredients. Again, that's why fragrance is so problematic, because they could say fragrance and they included the ingredient, but they didn't say what chemical was used to make the fragrance. I don't know why companies put so much garbage in their products. I'm sure it has something to do with cost and maximizing profit, because that's the whole point of a company in a capitalistic society, is to make capital, and capital are things of value and money. I know we also get a lot of stuff in cosmetics because of like consistency, so making sure that it's thorough throughout. Also preservatives to make sure that the product lasts for a while. Like I said, I've had this for a long time and it's still fine. Oh, I'm like, what? It expires in a month. So yeah, I've had this for a while. What else? Oh, we like foaming things typically. We like when a product suds up and has a really good lather, specifically shampoo and all that. What else do we like? Well, we like things that smell nice and look nice and cost nice. That's part of the problem. I think that's where companies go wrong. They're severely underregulated as far as these standards go, and unfortunately it leaves a lot up to the consumer. But anyway, that's ewg.org. They're a helpful guide for me, as stringent and high standards as they are for a clean, healthy body and environment. Because, if we use something, we do wash it down with water in the shower or through our sinks. So those get into aquatic systems and the environment in general, and it creates bioaccumulation, and I could go on forever.
The coral reefs.
Yeah, that's sunscreen. Sunscreen is contributing to that, as well as carbon in the atmosphere.
That's my bad.
Because it makes the ocean more acidic. So, okay, I'm out. I'm done. Cut me off. Cut me off.